Alright, you guys, hi, welcome back to the Creators Corner. And today in episode 7, as y'all can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about how I would start on Twitch in 2025. Now, Twitch is not just for the gamers no more, okay? Here's how I would use it to grow in 2025. Let's get into it. Now, what is Twitch? Y'all may ask, what is Twitch? Twitch is a live stream community platform. Literally, live stream community platform. Okay? Basically, y'all gonna use Twitch if, this is one main factor, you gotta have the bandwidth and the personality to sit on there live in action, in person, in their face, and talk to people. It's not pre-recorded. It's none of those things. It is meant for live, on the spot engagement. You gotta have some bandwidth for that. That's number one. Don't get on Twitch playing around if you can't actually do that. Okay? I'm just trying to tell y'all. Don't go there messing up on them people platform. And you used to being over here with me on YouTube, and we like to pre-record and we like to record and post and schedule stuff. And they want you to go live over there. You ain't gonna grow. You ain't gonna grow, so don't you go. Okay? Now, what to stream is always people's biggest question. Whatever you want to, literally. Now, gaming, yes, but I would say also use it for like live podcasts, okay? Use it for some little things that you know you're gonna be doing consistent. So if you're a college student, like study with me or study hours, right? I'm just giving y'all some gems. So you could be studying, literally take us through your study process. We'll sit there with you while you play music, while you write notes, all of these things. You can ask questions, you can do your quizzes, you see what I'm saying? Co-working in whatever field or industry that looks like for you. I think typically I co-work better, me personally, with other entrepreneurs. So if I'm co-working on my branding and marketing agency, because yes, I do own one New Orleans agency, www.neworluxagency.com. So if I'm co-working for my branding and marketing agency, I would probably want to co-work with like a graphic designer or a photographer or something like that, that kind of like can merge into my niche so that we can have similar conversations and really be helping each other bounce ideas, because we kind of work in the same fields and industries. But it don't have to be. I'm just saying that's what I like to do. Okay? But co-working. Also music, like studio time. You in the studio? Use that on Twitch. Go live in the studio, writer sessions. Like, people want to see what happens behind the scenes. So just show them that behind the scenes of your process of whatever that thing is, whether it's music, whether it's studying, whether it's working, whether it's, if you're an artist like a drawer or a painter, just put music on and sit there and draw and paint. Like, people will watch those things. You see what I'm saying? Scriptography is what I think it is, because it's not typography. Typography is a font. I think scriptography, if I'm mistaken, y'all, is when people write the name. I see them doing it on TikTok now. They go live on TikTok and just sit there and write people's names who donate a little bit of $1, and they write their names in these pretty little fonts because they have the best handwriting in the whole wide world. So, see what I'm saying? Go live, okay? You can stream whatever you want to. Next up, have some type of strategy, okay? So, pick a schedule, stick to it. Even if it's just once a week, whatever your schedule is, stick to it. If you do something more than that, great, but make sure you have a schedule set in place and let your audience know what that schedule is and stick to it so they know to come back. Don't be playing in them people's face. Okay? Second, engage with the chat. That is your community. Okay? That is your community. I feel like Twitch is meant to build a community more than it is to build up your arsenal of content. Over here on YouTube, yes, we build in a community, but it's more so about, I would say, building quality content over community. That's how the YouTube platform works. And you kind of have to build your community. Like, you build it in your comments over here when people subscribe. Like, that's your community. I have learned to transition my YouTube community over to my website. So now we have a place where we can actually engage in conversations, and we have chats and a feed and all these things, right? But Twitch really is all about engaging right then and there, building your community. So make sure you engage, you talk, you respond to your chat if you are on Twitch. Next thing, collaborate with other streamers. We have all seen the things that Callin has been able to do and grow from being on Twitch. Like, it literally changed his entire life. So make sure y'all, and what he do the most, he collaborate. You seen some of everybody and they mama on his Twitch platform. So make sure you collaborate, y'all. Stop being weird like that. Next up, monetization. So subscribers, donations, and brand deals are the top 3 ways that I've learned that you can really earn and monetize on Twitch platform. So subscribers, you can just like on, I believe it's Facebook, you can have subscribers, and on Instagram, people can subscribe to like your private story and stuff like that, where you earn a percent and they get like first dibs and secret information or new posts that's not public, things like that. They get like insider scoop stuff. Then you have donations, where people just want to support you and give back to you for you giving them the content. And then last but not least, your brand deals. That's it. Endorsements, brand deals. That's how you earn. We all know what those are. Next up, the best part, where I feel like, yeah, you could do that, reposting that content, okay? Clipping from Twitch. You want to clip from Twitch, and that gives you content for Instagram Reels, for TikTok Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts, okay? And even Lemonade, because you can post videos on Lemonade. I don't think they push them like that, because that's not what their platform is supposed to be, but you can post them, okay? So yeah, that's the guidance that I got for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That's going to wrap up our starter guide on these first few videos. We've been talking about each different platform. This is our starter guide across all platforms. If I were to start over in 2025 right now in each of these different platforms that we've watched over the last couple of weeks, this wraps that up. Okay, and so going over into episode 8, our next one for Monday, we're gonna start going deeper into growth strategies. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when Monday video go up. Okay, you can get the first dibs. Go on, add it to your watch list. Yeah, clock that T. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and y'all homework. If you're finna start a Twitch account, go ahead, make your account. Drop your Twitch link down in the comment section below, and even though I don't use my Twitch, I have an account, I'll go and follow y'all. Okay, so go ahead and drop your Twitch below. I'm gonna go ahead and follow y'all on Twitch, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next Monday. Bye.